What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, you already know. Please don't let it be your last time here, and you do that by, you already know, hitting the subscribe button. The subscribe button is either on the right hand side of your screen or the left hand side of your screen. Wherever it is on your screen, click on it so you'll be notified when I post new delicious recipes. Okay, so today in the Veganlicious kitchen, I am going to be making this right here. Do you know what this is? Close up. Do you know what that is? That is called a yucca. So we're going to be making yucca fries. Simple but tasty, and I'm going to show you how to make them. So let's get the ingredients, shall we? Yes, we shall. So I'm going to grab the ingredients, everything you're going to need to make these delicious tasting yucca fries, and we'll get started. Like I said, this shouldn't take no more than about 15 minutes. So let's grab the ingredients. Of course, you need a yucca. That's the first step. And let's grab everything else you're going to need. Ingredients together. First, like I said, you're going to need this. It's better. Well, I'm not going to say it's better, but I believe it's more healthier than a regular white potato. I don't think it's healthier than a yellow potato, but this one tastes better than the regular potato. It's more thicker, and I like that more thick. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut this up. And the best way to cut this up, this is like a waxy skin on it, so we're going to, let me pan down for you. We're going to use the potato peeler, the vegetable peeler, to get all the skin off, okay? But first, let's cut the edges off of this. So you see, I cut off the edges of the yucca. It should be white inside. If you see any color other than white, it's no good, okay? So now, we're gonna use the potato peeler. Let's see if this one works, because this is sort of small. So hopefully it does the job. And it is doing the job. So we're gonna peel all that off. Okay, so now I got all the skin off. So now I'm going to cut it in half. And then, yeah, I'm going to cut it in half, I think. Let's cut it. This is hard. I don't know where the big knife is. Don't know what happened to it. It's not in my dishwasher, and it's not in the sink, and it's not in any other drawers. I don't know if my daughter had it to chop somebody up in here. I don't know. Sometimes it gets a little heated up in here. Okay, but it's chopped in half. Now we're going to put this in water to boil for like 5 minutes. Okay, so we need it to get soft where you can poke it with a fork. Okay, so while the yucca is boiling in the hot water, as you can see from the pan back there, I don't know, we're going to proceed with our batter for the yucca fries. Okay, so I put 1 cup flour. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. I don't know where any of my measuring utensils is at. I like a blow. I have to buy more. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, and that's about it. And that's going to give you a more crunchier outside. Then we're going to add our garlic powder. Right. Then we're going to add some onion powder. Okay, and we're going to add in a pinch. Well, not really a pinch. You can add in a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Okay, pink salt. And we're going to add some water in here, and we want this to be the consistency of like pancake batter, sort of thick. We don't want it too thin, okay? So don't be heavy-handed on the water. Easy on the water. let me get a cup of water and carry on. Okay, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients first. Always mix that up so it's evenly distributed. Mix it. That's the flour and the seasonings that I added in. Now let's add some water and do it a little bit at a time. Not too much. Don't just pour the whole cup of water. We're trying to get the consistency of pancake batter. Okay? But if you get heavy-handed on the water, just add some more flour to it so you get the consistency that you want. Okay? And the consistency, like I said, should be pancake batter. Mix it up. This is still a little too thick, so I'm going to add some more water to it. You get the hint. You get the hint of what's going on here, right? Add some more water. Then we're going to get our yucca out the boiling water and start to make our fries. Be back. Here is the consistency you want. You know, pancake mix. Okay, we're waiting on our yucca to boil and get to the softness that we need it to be so we can cut into it to make the French fries that the shapes we want. Okay, guys, the yucca is done. Let me show you how it turned out. Isn't this filter cute? Okay, I gotta switch back to my other video camera and let me show you how the yucca should look once it's finished boiling. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So yes, yucca, I'm getting tongue-tied saying yucca should look like this. You see the steam coming off of it. So we're gonna let that sit and dry out for like 10 minutes, 5 minutes the most. Then we're gonna cut this into the French fries and then into the oil it shall go. And we're gonna be using grapeseed oil, okay, of course. So, 5 minutes, let it cool down. Okay, now, I was drinking a cup of tea. So, the yucca is ready to be dipped into our batter. Let's pan down, and we're gonna, after we place in the batter, we're going to put them into the oil. Unbeknownst to me, my daughter used all of the oil. So there's very little oil left. So let's see how this works out. Okay, I might have to put it in the air fryer. We're gonna compromise here. So let's pan down. Somebody's yelling again. But let's continue on. That's what I meant about the knife. Okay, be back. Okay, so pan down. So here's the yucca cut up. Then take your yucca, which is already in here. You put it in to the batter. Make sure they're completely covered. Then you put it into your oil, which is ta-da, on the stove. Okay, so I'm going to show you how they came out when I complete the recipe. Be back. Okay, guys, I am back with the finished recipe. Let's pan down so you can see how my yucca fries came out, okay? And I added a dipping sauce to it, so let me show you what I got going on. Here it is. The dipping sauce is same dipping sauce I use for the plantains. Vegan mayonnaise. I didn't have ketchup, so I used sriracha. Some garlic, minced garlic, and I put some onion powder and some pink Himalayan salt. And here's the yucca fries, which are nice and golden brown, and they're very crispy due to me using the cornstarch. Okay, so let's go ahead and taste them. Let's dip them. Let's pan back up. Let's get back in my face. Okay, so here it is. Let's taste how the yucca tastes.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
Dip it in your sauce. Definitely delicious. Okay? The yucca plant is a Latin plant. Okay? It's healthier. It's healthy. I'm not going to say it's healthier. It's healthy. It's high in protein. And it's gluten-free. But it is a heavier. It has more carbs than the regular potato. But don't eat it all the time, okay? But definitely delicious. So yeah, it has more carbs than a regular potato, but it's low in sugar. So if you're diabetic, this is better for you, okay? So thank you for watching the Veganlicious Kitchen. And next time, when you come back to see me, and you know how to come back and see me, right? By clicking on the subscribe button. Once you click on the subscribe button, you'll be notified when I post new vegan, delicious recipes, okay? So, if you're interested in buying my Veganlicious ebook, go down in the description box. I have a vegan ebook. I also sell food on a web page. I'll have that information there. But if you would like to buy me a matcha for this jewel right here, and why not, my Cash App is there as well. I appreciate the energy exchange. All money comes back tenfold. What you put out comes back in. Believe it, okay? Don't hold, open your hand. Don't close, because nothing's going to get in there, okay? So, go ahead. Hit my Cash App up and buy me a matcha. Cash App up and buy me a matcha, okay? Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. But you already know, don't just enjoy your day. Enjoy life. Either boo. And I'm going to go ahead and finish eating my yucca. Hey, wepa. Hey. Iluvu.